Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Today we're going out west. We're going to make a green chili burger, which in New Mexico you see them everywhere, but in Northeast Ohio, nobody's ever heard of them. So let's break the ice in Northeast Ohio and fire off an outstanding green chili burger on a Weber Spirit. Stick around. This is going to be good. All right, let's start these burgers off. I got the grill going and it's preheating. And I want to put a little bit of seasoning on these burgers. These are pre-made burgers. It was cheaper to buy 80-20 pre-made burgers than it was to buy the ground meat to make them. So right now I'm just sprinkling on a mix of salt, garlic powder, chili powder, and smoked paprika, even amounts. So you can make this by a quarter teaspoon or the bucket, it doesn't matter. Just keep them all even. All right, once the grill's heated up, we're gonna slap those babies on there and get going. So I will bring you back then. All right, our grill is preheated. I'm gonna spray it with some grill pan real quick, just to keep these from sticking. And then we're just gonna throw these on. I'm gonna throw them dimple down, and all the dimple does is keeps it from swelling up. But I was really surprised it was cheaper to buy these ground meat patties already formed as a patty than it was to buy packaged ground meat itself. So I'm gonna put some more of this seasoning on here. That's about it. Doesn't need to go crazy. Let these cook for about 5 minutes and I will bring you right back. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna give these a quick flip. I'm gonna flip them twice. I love this grill. Gets nice sear marks on them. You can see where the dimple was in there. All right, get the lid back on. Check it out. Yesterday we set a record high in Northeast Ohio. It was literally almost 70 degrees. Today we're back to normal at 30. So you gotta love Northeast Ohio. It sure isn't New Mexico weather, I'll tell you that. All right, let's give these burgers another flip. We've been 4 minutes. Ready for this? Look at how perfect these are. Another shot here. Do the same here. I'm trying to be fancy and turn them at the same time. All right. Close that lid up. Let them cook. These are gonna be beautiful. All right, it is time to give these burgies another flip. It's not good, that sounds. These are about, I would say, 3/4 of the way done right now. I'm gonna turn this side off. This side's still on full blast high. And that's because I want to toast some buns here before we're done. And that'll cool off just enough to where they won't burn. Okay, it is time to flip these burgers one more time. God, they look good. Now I'm going to leave the lid open here. And we're going to take a can of diced green chilies. These are mild. And we're not going crazy with them. We're just putting about that much right on the top. And then dropping a piece of cheddar over top of that. I'm going to do that all the way around. I'm telling you, man, I forgot about these. And I was looking for something to do in New Mexico, and there's all kinds of fancy things, and I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, we have to do these because they are that good. So this is just deli cheddar cheese, and I'm going to throw the buns on to give them just a quick toast. No butter, no nothing, just the bun. Like I said, I turn that grate off. I'm gonna close this down. I'm still on high on this side, and I turn that off so we won't burn the buns. Hopefully we won't burn the buns. And all we're doing now is melting the cheese. So it won't take long. Especially not with that on high, and you saw how hot that grill was. So just a few more seconds and we will take a peek. Oh, you saw that? I don't know if you saw that or not. Check it out. Another couple of seconds. We're just melting that cheese on there, and this was about a 1 beer cook. Well, it was exactly a 1 beer cook. So let me check our buns. Look at that. That's perfect. Let me get my buns off of here. I love it. If you were on the fence about getting one of these Weber Spirits, jump on it, because they are a really good grill. They hold their temperature well, easy to work, easy to clean, and they're not a gas hog like some of them I've had. All right, our cheese is pretty well softened up. I'm going to take these off, put them on the toasted bun, just like that. And buddy, it doesn't get any better than this. Close that lid, turn these off, put the lids on here, keep the heat in, although they're 1 billion degrees. Look at that cheese oozing out of there. All right, that's a green chili cheeseburger. Give me a second here, and I will be right back and show you how they taste. All right, everybody. This is a Northeast Ohio version of a green chili cheeseburger from New Mexico. And that's what I remember. Boy, is that good. It's hot, but it's good. The chilies aren't hot, but they give you a good flavor. I think the cheese is what cools them off. And then the toasted bun makes it just right. So there we go. I'm going to get these in so Mrs. Everyone Can Grill can eat too. I am Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. Thanks for sticking around. You have a great weekend. Get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do. Because everyone can grill.